Hello everyone, this is Roy with GreyHelix. This is a demo video to show you how to sign up and get started with GreyHelix. This is a whole system to help you pretty much systemize your DNA testing agency. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So at the top right on the home page, you're going to sign in and then you're going to click sign up. So let's go ahead and enter a name here. Okay. Then the next screen is going to take you to is a Stripe sign up screen. Now, if you already have a Stripe account, you can use your email to connect to it. Or if you want to set up a new Stripe account, you can set up a new one here. But I'm going to go ahead and connect to one that I already have. All right, so once you're connected to Stripe, it's going to automatically sign you into your home page. This is your home dashboard of GreyHelix. It's going to show you how many cases you've ever done. It's going to show you your current active cases, your closed cases, as well as the type of test that has been done, as well as the current case status, whether it's opened or closed by a pie chart. From there, you can see your active cases that you currently have, as well as any active appointments. Let's go ahead and set up our very first case. So we see one that already exists right now. We're going to go ahead and set up a new case. So you want to enter your client's email right here, their phone number, the name, change his name a little bit. Never good with names on the spot. And the type of test. As you can see from this drop down menu, you can see all the different types of paternity tests that you can do or DNA tests that you can do. Okay, so he will have received a new email from the website here from GreyHelix. As you can see, hello, James Johnson. You're receiving this email because your motherless paternity case has been opened for testing by testing DNA. This is it right here, automatically sent to him. Perfect. So from there, once you enter his case, you can see all of his information. You can edit the case in case you mess something up. For example, his email or his phone number, you forgot to add another one. You can update that case. You can enter in the DDC case ID as well in here. Usually for now, it's a CR number at the moment. You can change the case type just in case you made a mistake, and then you can update the case. So as you can see, the other ones are add results to case, send invoice, message, and close case. So let's go ahead and try to send an invoice with Stripe. So when you pull this up, it's going to say enter the invoice below in dollars. Don't include cents. So GreyHelix, we don't manage your balance. Your balance is being managed by Stripe. So when you connected your Stripe account, you should be able to go to Stripe and see that exact invoice that has been sent. So let's go ahead and send an invoice to him for $350. Now he should receive this in just a second. Okay, so he's received his invoice. James has received his invoice for $350 automatically from us. And from there, he can go ahead and check out. Pretty easy. And as you can see, the invoicing button has gone, and you can see his invoice here. Now let's go ahead and set up an appointment for James. You can click on the appointment tab here to the left, click on his case, location as well. So let's just say any lab tests now Dallas, and let's just say 555 Dallas Street. You could pick the month and date. So let's say he wants to do this test tomorrow. Let's say he wants to do it at 9:30 a.m. There, that appointment is set. And you can export it to your Google Calendar. Here's his appointment. Right here. Now, in the meantime, James is going to get an email as well for the appointment. That's the automated email with all the information, and he could save it to his calendar as well. One thing we're working through to change is the time that gets generated here. We're working on changing that, but he can actually change that time himself. However, in the actual email is the time. All right, now let's go back to our cases. Let's say we want to send James a message, just a custom message letting him know, for example, the samples have arrived at the laboratory and results will be ready in 2 to 3 business days. Let's send a message to James. He will get that message. There you go. And it already has the salutation already ready, so you don't have to type that. All you need to do is just type your message. It has everything else in there for you automatically. All right, now let's go ahead and add some results. His results are ready. He's good to go. Let's go ahead and add the results to the case. You can upload a file from here. So you choose this file here. Upload your file. That file sent to Mr. James there. And you can look at it on your end. Look at that. There's a Paternity University logo here. And on his end, he'll receive a link where you can click on it and he can see the results automatically. Then you can simply close the case. Case is now closed. And on his end, you'll see that the case has been closed and he's good to go. Now, if you go back to our dashboard, you'll see that this case is now closed here. You see on your entire dashboard. Now, this one is just another case that I created. You see no active appointments, all the good stuff. Everything is done. This is GreyHelix in a nutshell. More features are going to come as we get more of your feedback. But this is GreyHelix. This is everything that you need in one. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it for this quick demo. You all, give me your feedback. I'm going to send out a survey to you all automatically. I really appreciate your support. And until next time, after a few more updates, thank you.